Today we'll make fricasse, a bun made from special dough, then deep fried and filled with harissa, potatoes, boiled eggs, tuna fish and pickled lemon. This dish originated in Tunisia, where it used to be eaten on special occasions and holidays. Here in Israel, we made it into an everyday kind of food. I'm the third generation to make fricasse. My grandfather was a baker back in Tunisia, and when he immigrated to Israel, he brought his love of baking with him. In the 50s, he opened his first fricasse stand here in the market of Ramle. It was unique, because back then, there was only falafel and kebab. In Tunisian cuisine, most dishes are cooked with lots of oil. But in my recipe, the oil is hardly felt. We came up with a way to absorb the oil which makes the bun very light and airy. The salads are always fresh. I don't add any preservatives to them. Every morning I make the salads myself with special seasoning. Ramle has a very big Tunisian community, but fricasse speaks to everyone. People from all ethnic groups come here and enjoy it. My grandfather's recipe is still popular today. It's timeless.